こんにちは。JapanesePod101 です。
おはよう東京。こんばんはニューヨーク。こんにちはロンドン。
Hi everyone, Jessie です。Jessie here.
こんにちは、もとこです。
Welcome to Absolute Beginner Season 2, Lesson 10, Missing the Japanese Train. Thanks for joining us again for our Absolute Beginner Season 2 series. Okay, so in the last lesson, we learned how to ask what something is.
Yes, we learned これは何ですか
What is this?
and それは何ですか
What is that? That's right. And in this lesson, we'll learn how to ask what time something takes place.
Yes, what's happening in the conversation?
In the conversation, Masato is talking with a train station attendant and asking him about train times.
Sounds good.
Let's listen to the conversation.
Ah, すみません。次の電車は何時ですか
2時半です。
2時半すみません。今何時ですか
1時半です。
すみません。タクシーはどこですか
Let's listen to the conversation again slowly.
すみません。次の電車は何時ですか
2時半です。
2時半すみません。今何時ですか
1時半です。
すみません。タクシーはどこですか
Now, let's listen to it with the translation. Darn it.
すみません。
Excuse me,
次の電車は何時ですか
what time is the next train?
2時半です。
It's at 2:30.
2時半
2:30?
すみません。今何時ですか
Excuse me, what time is it now?
1時半です。
It's 1:30.
すみません。タクシーはどこですか
Excuse me, where are the taxis? Masato missed his train.
I know, that's too bad.
Well, it happens, but the next train doesn't come until an hour later.
That's a long wait.
Yeah, too long for him it seems, so he asked the station attendant where the taxis are. So it looks like he'll just take a taxi.
By the way, do we know where he is going?
It wasn't mentioned in the dialogue, but Masato is actually on his way to the airport to pick up Taylor.
Oh, that's great.
Yep, well, if he can get there.
Right.
Okay, let's take a look at some of the vocab words.
Sure. The first is 次の.
Next. After it, you put the item that you're talking about.
Right. For example, 電車 is train.
電車, train.
So you could say 次の電車.
And this means the next train. 次の電車.
Please repeat. 次の電車.
And again, that means the next train. Okay, next is
半.
han. This means half, and when talking about time, refers to half of an hour. For example, 1時 is 1 o'clock, and 1時半 is 1:30.
1時 plus 半 1:30.
Right, here's another example. 5時 is 5 o'clock, and so 5:30 would be
5時半.
That's right. We heard this word han in the dialogue. The next train comes at what time, Motoko?
2時半.
2時半, 2:30. Okay, and with that, let's move on to the lesson focus. In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask what time something is or what time something takes place.
That's right.
Now, if you remember, in Lesson 5, we learned how to ask what time it is now.
Yes, do you remember? 今、何時ですか?
今、何時ですか? What time is it now?
Our pattern today is very similar.
Very. Motoko, can you tell us what it is?
Sure. Our pattern is A は何時ですか?
A は何時ですか? What time is A?
A は何時ですか?
Now, A could be anything you want to know about. An event, like a party or a meeting, or the schedule for something, like the next bus or the next train.
That's right.
Let's go through some examples.
Sure. How about this? 電車は何時ですか?
Literally, what time is the train, or what time does the train come? How about another one?
ミーティングは何時ですか?
What time is the meeting, or what time does the meeting start? Okay, what else?
パーティーは何時ですか?
What time is the party, or what time does the party start? So as you can see, we're just replacing A each time. Let's have the listeners repeat this time. What time is the train?
電車は何時ですか?
What time is the meeting?
ミーティングは何時ですか?
What time is the party?
パーティーは何時ですか?
Excellent. Okay, now let's take a look at our example from the dialogue.
Sure. マサト says, 次の電車は何時ですか?
What time is the next train? Let's break this one down.
次の
Next.
電車
Train.
は何時
What time?
ですか?
And the whole thing one more time.
次の電車は何時ですか?
What time is the next train? Listeners, ready to repeat?
次の電車は何時ですか?
Sounding good. By the way, the answer to that was 2時半です. It's at 2:30.
2時半です.
All right, now it's time for the listeners to make a sentence. What should they ask about, Motoko?
How about the bus?
Oh, that's a good one. And it's easy too. Bus is basu in Japanese.
That's right. バス
Listeners, can you say, what time is the bus? Or what time does the bus come in Japanese? Remember that the structure is は何時ですか? And the answer is
バスは何時ですか?
バスは何時ですか? Listeners, did you get it right? Okay, well, I think that's going to do it for this lesson.
はい。How was it, everyone?
As always, please let us know if you have any questions. And also, feel free to practice making your own sentences in the comments section.
Thank you for listening.
Until next time.
じゃあまた。
すみません。次の電車は何時ですか?
2時半です。
2時半? すみません。今何時ですか?
1時半です。
すみません。タクシーはどこですか?